Do you want to know how to receive money on PayPal? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So the first thing you need to do is to just ensure that you have a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, simply go to paypal.com and then go to sign up to go to the process of creating your PayPal account. And it's really easy. You just need an email address and your phone number and you should be good to go. Once you have your PayPal account created, as you can see, I have already one. It's two ways to receive money on PayPal. The first is going through the email address or phone number that you can use to request a payment from anyone. So for example, if someone is trying to send money on PayPal, they will just put your email address in it and it will directly go to your PayPal account. For example, if I have to send money to someone, just click on the Pay and Get tab and go to Request Payments under Accept Payment option. Click on it and you can see here you can send payment to anyone by their name or username, email address or mobile number, and also vice versa you can request your payment from anyone. Same, you have to put their name or username, email address or phone number. And second, you can also share a link that people can use to send you money. You can find that link or more way to request payment setting. Like beside here you can see that share your profile, text or post your link to get paid. You can see this option on the right corner. Click on it. As you can see, mine is this. It shows my profile so people can identify it as me, and then all they have to do is click send and they will be sending me money on PayPal. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.